Understanding the Phrase, See How It Goes, an English learning guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, see how it goes. This is a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help in everyday conversations. Let's dive in and unravel its meaning and usage. See how it goes is an idiomatic expression in English. It means to observe and evaluate the progress or outcome of a situation before making further decisions or commitments. This phrase implies a level of uncertainty and a wait-and-see approach. It's often used when someone is not sure about the outcome and prefers to take one step at a time. To better understand, see how it goes, let's look at some examples. 1. In decision-making, I'm not sure if I'll enjoy the class, but I'll see how it goes after the first session. 2. In relationships, we're not sure where this relationship is headed, so we're just going to see how it goes. 3. In projects or work, let's start the project this way and see how it goes. We can always adjust our strategy later. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, highlighting its flexibility and practicality. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use, see how it goes. When uncertain about future outcomes. When wanting to avoid making premature decisions. In casual or informal conversations. It's less common in very formal or official scenarios. There are variations of see how it goes that carry a similar meaning. Let's wait and see. We'll play it by ear. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. These alternatives offer flexibility in your language use and help you sound more like a native speaker. See how it goes is a handy phrase to understand and use in everyday English. It reflects a practical and flexible approach to life's uncertainties. We hope this video has been helpful in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and see how it goes.